Philo?
Okay guys, my name is Philip. We have been in a good nature walk. We have just come around this big mountain. We have just been walking. Tumetembea huku, tumetoka kuona poultry farm huko chini, like chicken. They are down there. Just sit there, cameraman. Can you see there? Yeah, it's too far. We have been walking all around there. Tumekuwa tunatembea huko yote, tumezunguka. Now it's resting here. Thank you.
Felix Amani. So you can tell us about this place. Why do you come here?
So, first, glad to huku ni Kajiado, tumekuja kuona makuku tumetembea na mtu wetu Sudanese boy. Anasema kwa kuku ni kijana kwa then kaka is a girl. So huku tumesee vile Kenya kuko. We're enjoying. So this place is so ni mahali unaweza tembea. Huku hakuna rebels. Good.
Zenga boy. So thank you so much for visiting this place. Just want to you tell me about how is this place and how is it? You can tell me this place.
First of all, my name is Zenga Boy. I'm coming here to look at this morning is big. Environment is big. This morning is big. Trees. It's way around here. Nature is just the God is God another down there. I'm come to watching. It's the good. It's the
This place.
good place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huku hivi ni mahali pazuri, unaweza tembea, kila kitu iko sawa, hakuna kitu inaweza kusumbua kwa barabara, na msituni. Just the big mountain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Philo?
Yes.
So I want to just know, you can tell me that this place belong to which people or which tribe?
Okay. This place is Kenya. We are in Kajiado County. The area is called Samis. It's just a Maasai land. The Maasai land.